everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have got a great collection, well actually two collections, from our friends at Hunkydory. This is Delightful Birds, Country Days, and I've got these awesome little 6x6 card boxes to show you. So much to play with, so come back and play with us. All right, we are back with, this is the Country Days Decoupage card kit. It says here makes 8 cards. That's wrong. Down here it says it makes 12. So it makes 12 cards. They are little 3D layers, and I'll just take you through these quickly. You get 2 of each one. Okay. And then you get these little inserts that go on the inside of your card for decorating. This is the actual card base. This part punches out. We'll show you how to do all that. And some envelopes and some little step-by-step instructions. Very nice collection. So let's take a look at, okay, we can zoom in a little bit now, Steve. This one, as I said, I'll show you how to assemble these all together, but look at the dimension on that. So beautiful. Here's that little insert. This little, the window gets popped out, and then I decorated that with some little flowers from 49 in Market. These are rustic blooms and cranberry. Just put a little cluster here and another one by that little greeting there. Comes with multiple different greetings too, so you can have it fit your occasion. Now we have another one here where I've added a little bit more to it. Beautiful. So here I've put some little Jewel Dazzle stickers. Those look like. Peeled those off and put them along the top and the bottom. And then, let's see, right here, I've got some around the outside edge for these borders and some more of those little flowers, but this time I used, these are Sunshine Royal Posies, and they come in 3 different sizes. Beautiful yellow. Okay, and then I wanted to show you the box. Okay, this is a little gift box. Now, these do have envelopes with them, okay? They're perfectly mailable, but you could put one in here and mail it that way, or just gift it. Or you could just use it as a beautiful gift box. Once again, it's got all that dimension on it. For this one, I just took one of the blank cards. Grab one of these. I just took one of these blank cards and I just took a paper cutter. You could use an X-Acto knife and a ruler, and I just cut it right down the center. Then this one just pops out, and then you just start building on all of those layers. Just adorable, okay? Added a little bit of crepe ribbon. Did I bring my crepe ribbon? Yes, I did. Right here, a little crepe ribbon set. Very sweet. And along the edges of this one and on the edges of the box, I used these cute little lime green mirror dazzles, a dazzle border sticker. All right, so I wanted to show you how to assemble this box, and then we'll get on to the Delightful Birds, and I'll show you how to actually put these together. So when you're dealing with these boxes, I like to use extra sticky tape, okay? It's wonderful to have on hand, and in order to remove this backing, which I always struggle with when I'm sitting here trying to pick this off, somebody pointed out to me, just use a pokey tool. Just take your little pokey tool, and then it just lifts right off. I love it. I don't know which one of our viewers told me that, but I thank you so much. All right, so those come right off. And then we've got these little ones on the corner tabs as well. That's what's nice about extra sticky tape, is you can just cut it to whatever length you want. It's just something, an adhesive that is great to have in your toolkit. You will always find a use for that. It's really great for if you're using something like glitter cardstock and you're trying to glue something to it. Sometimes I've really struggled with that. And then just give up and just use the extra sticky tape, because it's going to really adhere well. All right, oh, those little pieces were sticking on me. So the first thing you want to do is, actually I should have done this before I took all the tape off. I just got so excited. You want to fold all of these little pieces here, and you want to take a bone folder. So we're going to do the best we can here now that I've got all the tape off. Okay, and you're going to like fold all those layers. All right, so now we're going to take these little tabs, which we have our sticky tape on, and we're going to tape those right there to the inside. Ugh, I've still got more pieces stuck to me. All right, oh, gotta fold these. There we go. As I said, I should have done that before I took all the backing off. This is definitely one of those do as I say, not as I do situations. All right, now that one there, one there. All right, so now remember on the outside edge of this part that folds down, we've got tape on the back of that. So all we have to do is just fold that under just like that. And fold that under just like that. Kind of like a little pizza box, really. All right, now we're going to fold this right there. And look, they just go right in like that. And then if you want to decorate the sides with Dazzle stickers, that is easy enough to do. Just peel these off like that. Comes off of a sheet like this. This is a very well used one that I just peeled off. And I like to put them up towards the top edge and align it with the top and the corner. And then just go all the way across like that. And then turn that over and then use your tiny scissors. Just take that off. And then you just repeat that on all four sides. It's a very sweet way to get those decorated. All right, so let's move on to the Delightful Birds kit. We might need to zoom out a little bit again. All right, so with these, once again, 2 of each kind. These make 12 cards. I should mention they make 12 cards because this makes 1 card and this makes another card. Okay, so that's why. There's 6 pages, but each page makes 2 cards. All right, you've got your little inserts and your card bases, 12 of those, and your envelopes and your instruction sheet, which is all right. So let's show you what we've got here. Here is one with the sweet little birds, so cute. Did some little flowers here. This one is Bashful. I love this color pink. Royal Posies. Once again, you get 3 different sizes. So what I like to do is just go ahead and decide where I'm going to put my little foam taped greeting there. And then go ahead and put 1 here and then a little cluster. I like to put a cluster of 3 of something. So it could be 2 flowers and a leaf, make 3. It's just a nice rule of 3. So got some more of those gold jewel dazzle stickers there along the top and the bottom. And then I added a little additional greeting there. And that is the We're Together Dazzle stickers. They come in 4 finishes, 2 of each, and I just used the gold ones here. And I thought these are just so nice. I use them a lot. So once again, all that dimension of layers. Very cute. And then we've got a box as well. There we go. Very, very sweet. All right, so let's build one. I buried what I was going to build. Here we go. All right, I've got everything in here stored in my little envelope. All right, so let me show you which one we're going to start with here. Grab this. We are. All right, so this is the little ducky. It's very cute, okay? This part right here just goes ahead and gets evacuated, okay? And I've already gone ahead and put some foam tape on there. Now we've got a couple options for foam tape. Let's move all this out of the way. All right, so before I do foam tape, I already glued my insert in the back. I've already evacuated that circle. But for foam tape, we've got these cute little foam tape squares. Okay, I've used part of my sheet. And using the pokey tool on these it's really great. So you just basically stab one of these little squares, lift that right up, place it where you want it, and then peel the backing off. It's brilliant. So that's really nice to have. But if you're going to do a lot of these, then this giant wheel of foam tape is a really good value. It's about 20 bucks and you get 50 feet or I always mix this up, 50 yards or 150 feet. So a huge amount. So that's what I've used on mine. I've just gone ahead and cut off little squares of this. In fact, I do not need as big a squares as I did, but I was in a hurry, so I didn't cut them down. There we go. Then what you want to do is make sure it's the right direction, okay, and then place it with the card closed. There we go. So when you open it, it's all nice and centered. Looks very nice. Yes, it is. All right, and then for your layers, you want to go ahead. I really should have taken all this foam tape off before I started. You just start with the largest layer first. All right. And you can see here, I've just punched these out. Okay, so this is the next size. And then I just find something to align it with. We've got a little mouse here and a little butterfly right here. You're just going to align those, make sure everything is lined up. There you go. Next one. Go. And then this one I've already gone ahead and put smaller layers on there. See those? So we've got some little ducks, little flowers, a little piece right there. Save us a little bit of time. Go. And then I've got one more little ducky. Cute. Goes right there. And a little butterfly. I love the little individual things that you put at the very end. Very, very cute. And then we've got our little greeting, just for you. That right there. And we've got a little collection of flowers here. That is from the Blue Jay. If we can get this. Well, anyway, under there it says Blue Jay from 49 Market. These are the little rustic blooms. And I like to use for that Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. But before we put those on, maybe we'll do some more of these little borders just for funsies. Okay, here's a gold one. We'll just do one along the top and bottom edge. And when I'm placing these, I like to tack it down at one end and then just sort of stretch it across. And I find that works better than just trying to do little bits at a time, little areas. These just peel right off just like that. And of course, you don't have to add these to this, but I find even more metallic sparkle is quite nice. Hope this one had a little extra bit on it. Go. Rid of all my little pieces of backing. So now we're ready to add our flowers. And I think this one actually I had intended to put under my greeting. So I'm going to put it like that, under that foam tape. And then this one, I'm going to go ahead and do on the opposite side, do a little flower here, there. And when you're putting flowers on, you just want to make sure you stay clear of the opening so that they don't get caught when they're moving up and down. And we've got a little leaf here we'll add. And I just like to stick that right in there between. And then this little guy, we'll just glue to the other side, right? And I find if you just press these down for a moment or two, then they just grab right on and they're glued. It looks well. There you go. You guys, we've got a great money saver on this collection. I would definitely encourage you to check that out. They're really beautiful and fun to do and fun to receive. So if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page, then just take a look on the right-hand side, and that's where you'll find our Money Saver special on that, which is fantastic. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then just look below the video and you'll see a link that'll take you to the Paper Wishes webisode page. And if you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up. It helps people find us. And subscribe, because we do 3 to 5 videos a week and we don't want you to miss anything. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.